Hi, Don here at snapitupcanada.com. Looking for a Super 8 projector, are you? Well, we got a SILMA 190 SL Super projector. It's got a new drive belt on it and new bulb. To be honest with you, before today, I never heard of SILMA. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe not the best of films to show you. It's just mostly water and fishing, but whatever. It's in great working condition. SILMA SL 190 SL, sorry. Super 8 projector. Does not play 8mm, only Super 8. Thanks for looking. Don here at snapitupcanada.com. Bye-bye.